Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use crypto.com exchange lending and apply for loan. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So, for unfortunate reasons, it is not applicable in my region, so I won't be able to show you the exact steps in my mobile phone or my desktop, but I'll make sure to help you out with how you can do it and what help you need to be provided. So simply go ahead, open up your browser, and as I've done, simply type in crypto.com lending. That will help you guide through the crypto.com's official website, where they actually guide you through the steps accordingly. They even give you the description and terms what you need. You need to have enough collateral for you to get the loan. It needs to be in your primary wallet, and LTV is simple loan to value, which will, if you go through the app, you won't be able to know what it is exactly, and it might lead you to the wrong, deal. So make come over here, sir, learn the loan to value, LTV ratio, lending term limit, and maximum borrowing limit as well. Once you have got this all of the information correctly, and if you have any questions regarding any of the terms given, we do have a special keyword to search for, the lined ones. You can tap on that and it will simply give you the further more information regarding that one particular area. Now you can go back and do that to all of them, and you can also come back over here and you can see what is LTV, how can I borrow loan, and stuff like that given right over here. All you gotta do is tap on the keyword, key topic, and learn step by step. You can see it's even gonna show you the steps and the options that you have to choose. So I suggest you guys to come to this website, study it through, and apply for the loan. And I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.